Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will try to understand how to make use of catch tags. So let's get started. Now in order to understand a catch tag, first of all let us add in a scriptlet, and in here we would be adding a very simple looking statement which would be like int x equal to 10 divided by 0, and that's it. Alright, and if we try to execute this particular piece of code, then there would be an exception, and the exception is divide by 0 exception. Now if we want to catch this exception, the answer is catch tag. So in here, if I bring the piece of code in between catch tags, then what happens is, if there is an exception, it will not prevent us to execute the entire page. So it will skip on crashing the page and the exception would be caught internally by the catch tag. Let me show you. Let me refresh this page and the exception is gone. Let me add in a simple looking statement in here. For example, testing. This text will show up on the page now. Right? So this is cool. Now the reason why we are catching this exception is definitely this tag, and for example we can also extract information from this exception. So if we check, there is this attribute where, and for example we give the name of the variable as exception, then we can also print the information related to exception. So in here, for example, we make use of expression language and type an exception in here, then we would be able to see the exception which got occurred in our page. So let me refresh this page, and here is the exception, and the exception is java.lang.arithmetic exception divide by 0, right? So this is cool stuff. Let me also add in a br tag. Alright, now for example, if we would like to only extract the message from the exception, even that is possible. We can simply type in exception.message, and let me refresh the page, and we will get the message only, which is divide by 0. So this is how the catch tag works, which is straightforward, very simple. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.